Hey!
I should say hey.
Nah, it doesn't matter. Okay, one more time.
Oh,
Hey! What up, world? It's Josiah with Cooked on a Feeling, coming back at you once again. This time, I brought a special guest, my lovely girlfriend, Amanda. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
She's from Brazil, and I introduced her today because she's going on a gluten, dairy, sugar-free journey to get rid of some of her side effects. So, we're here today to try out one of the products that we reviewed at Walmart. It's called Birch Benders. We both have a sweet tooth. We like cakes and cookies and creams, as I'm sure you do too. So we wanted to try this out and see if it was any good. And then we also grabbed some vanilla frosting. So if you check out the back ingredients, you see it's got erythritol, which is totally fine, sugar substitute. The only thing it has is almonds and coconuts. So if you don't have problems with those, then this is a gluten, sugar, dairy-free product, as well as this vanilla frosting. So, without further ado, let's get cooking. Ciao. Woo, to the kitchen. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, not Celsius.
No, Fahrenheit.
You're gonna need a Birch Benders Cake mix, 2/3 cup oil, 1/2 cup water, and 3 eggs. And a bowl. Yay! We're back with cake, and we're super excited to try out this delicious looking masterpiece. Look at this. Thought about smashing your face in the cake, but first video, bad taste.
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. Bon appetit, my love.
Cheers.
Wow.
Great.
That's actually amazing.
And it's actually sweet.
God, don't be shy. Get in here. This is her first video. She's a little shy. So we need to throw some love in the comments. The initial taste is like nice and sweet, and then it's not too much with the cake. It's like nice and kind of balanced.
I agree. I would take without the cream.
You would eat it without the cream? Wow.
I like the cake.
Out of 10 for no sugar, no gluten, and no dairy. What do you think?
10.
Really? Wow, a 10.
Never say it is without sugar.
Really? Amazing. So I'm gonna give it a 9.5. That concludes our cake test. Thanks for watching. This has been Cooked on a Feeling with Josiah and Namanda. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Ciao for now.